Welcome to Mr. Bird Hotel. You can easily book your stay at this charming Istanbul hotel by scanning the QR code on your screen or by checking the description below for a direct booking link. Nestled in the heart of Istanbul, Turkey, Mr. Bird Hotel welcomes you to a cozy haven perfectly suited for both leisure and business travelers. This 3-star gem offers a truly comfortable and convenient experience. Imagine stepping into a world of tranquility. The hotel's warm and inviting atmosphere provides a peaceful escape from the city's lively energy. Mr. Bird Hotel features 12 well-appointed rooms, ensuring a more intimate and personalized experience for every guest. Whether you're traveling solo, with a loved one, or with family, you'll find an accommodation option that fits your needs. Check-in is a breeze, starting from 2 p.m., with a friendly staff ready to assist you. You can relax and enjoy your stay until checkout at 12 p.m. The hotel's convenient location also offers easy access to the airport, with approximately a 1-hour travel time. Families are especially welcome at Mr. Bird Hotel. Children aged 3 to 6 stay free of charge, making it a great choice for family getaways. The dedicated staff will make sure your little ones are comfortable, guaranteeing a pleasant stay for everyone. Built in 2013, Mr. Bird Hotel blends modern amenities with a cozy atmosphere. Enjoy complimentary breakfast to start your day and take advantage of express check-in and free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. Don't forget to scan the QR code now or click the link in the description below to book your stay at Mr. Bird Hotel today for an unforgettable experience.